Alright, so for some reason I didn't find out about this drone until I accidentally bought it. So I thought I was getting a Hubsan Zino Pro. I went on Amazon, ordered it, got it in, went to do obstacle avoidance calibration on my computer, and it wouldn't do anything. And then I looked, and if you look here, there are no sensors in the front and no sensors in the back. So let me know if I'm wrong or not, but the only difference between this and the Zino Pro is this one does not have obstacle avoidance sensors. So you're going to have the same features and the same problems with this drone as you had with the Zino Pro. So just like before, it does not have an SD card slot. You can't put an SD card in there. Same thing when I went to upgrade, I had to disconnect the phone and plug the drone directly in instead of just being able to update it like most drones, like the DJI app. But everything else seems the same. So first I'm going to go ahead and weigh it. And here's the weight of it. And same controller that you get with the Zino Pro. I'm not sure if it's a different model, if these are interchangeable, but I would guess that they are. So one of the problems I had with this was getting GPS satellites. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is turn it on and see how long it takes for me to get all my GPS satellites for it to be ready to go. And it is pretty cloudy out here. I know a lot of times with the Zino Pro, at least the one that I had, it barely could get enough satellites, and if it was cloudy like this, you could forget it. Got 4 satellites. Five satellites. 7, should be about ready to go. Ready to fly. So I'll go ahead and check it on the map. I only have 7 satellites, but it says I'm ready to go. And we'll just do a quick flight and check the video quality of it. Let it hover, make sure it's keeping position. 9 satellites. So I think the newer models of the Zino Mini Pro have better GPS compared to the ones that they put out before, the first batch. And this one seems to be doing just fine. I'll go ahead and switch it to the max resolution. I'll go ahead and hit record. It's recording. Let's see if I have any crab walk when I push straight forward. So I'll just go straight out. And it is flying straight. Straight back. Flew straight back. Alright, so I'll just go up and test some of the video quality. So now I'll go ahead and hit return to home and see how close it comes to the pad. Coming down. Hopefully it looks for the pad in a second. Found it. Moving over. Just like the other Zinos, it gets close and then just starts to land wherever it thinks it's close. Don't know why I did that. Maybe I touched it. I don't think I did. Okay. Guess I wanted to bounce in. Alright, that's it. Just a quick video. Just wanted to show anybody, if you're on Amazon. Dog's over there taking a crap. If you're on Amazon and you're looking to buy a Zino, just know that there's 3 different versions. There's the SE, that is the standard edition, the Pro version, and now there's this, I guess, just plain old Zino. Alright, so let me know what you think of the video. I'll be putting some more videos out pretty soon. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.